Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me on this edition of Make It with Mod Podge. My name's Cathie Fillion, and today I'm going to be working with the outdoor formula of Mod Podge. That's going to be the bottle with the green label, and it's perfect for all of your outdoor projects, whether you're doing some decor for outdoors, something seasonal, or something like what I'm going to make today, which is a backyard game. Now this is a great gift for Father's Day or any kind of birthday, and it's also perfect for just your backyard fun. You're only going to need a few supplies. I picked up this tic-tac-toe blank. You can get these at craft stores. Usually around summertime. You can also find them online at your wood suppliers. You're going to use Outdoor Mod Podge and then just some scrapbook paper. I am going to give the whole thing a base coat, and I'm matching my base coat to my paper. So let's just dive right in and get crafty. For this project, you can make over a wood blank surface from the craft store, or you can make over an oversized backyard game that you pick up at a big box store or thrift shop. I'm using Outdoor Mod Podge and light blue folk art paint. For today's tic-tac-toe game, I'm going with the red, white, and blue theme. My first step is to base coat the base of my game and all of my X's and O's with the folk art light blue paint. Once your letters are dry, you'll be ready to move on to the papering part. You're going to turn your letter upside down and put it on the back side of the paper. You'll trace around the letter with a pencil and then cut out. Because the letters are not all cut perfectly, you'll want to make sure that you keep your cut piece of paper with the exact letter that you traced. For this project, I'm using the Outdoor Mod Podge as the glue and the sealer. For the glue portion, you're just going to apply the Outdoor Mod Podge to the back of the piece of paper. Then you'll turn the paper over onto the top of your project. Position it in place, and then working from the center out, smooth out any of the air bubbles. For sealing, you're going to let your paper dry for about 15 minutes, and then you're going to apply 3 top coats with a dry time of 20 minutes in between each top coat. This will give you a nice finish for an outdoor project. Now you'll just repeat this process with the rest of your X's and your O's. For this design, I did the anchors on the X's and my stars and stripes on the O's. It's a very cute look for the 4th of July or for Father's Day and for all of your backyard summer fun. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope that you've learned a little bit more about Outdoor Mod Podge, and I can't wait to see what you create for your backyard.